Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install version 25H2 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code that is 0x80240437. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once paused, you can resume updates and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. And then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service. And then click on restart. Now go find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Again, hit apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now go back to Windows settings. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Windows 11 installation assistant. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now over here, if you see any update option or install option, you can install it. In my case, it is already up to date. So if you see install or update option, update it from here. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can go to this link. This is the same link as this. This will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Now click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. And over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install version 25H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.